Ever felt overwhelmed by scattered tasks, missed deadlines, and a lack of team coordination? Imagine a world where your team works seamlessly, projects are organized effortlessly, and your business runs smoothly. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream. It's a reality made possible by powerful project management tools. And today, we're diving deep into one such tool, Podio. What is Podio? Podio isn't just another project management tool. It's a versatile platform that can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your business. At its core, Podio is a flexible workspace where you can organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and manage projects of any size and complexity. Key uses of Podio: project management, task management. Break down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with Kanban boards. Drag and drop tasks between different stages of your project, from to-do to done. Gantt charts. Plan and schedule your projects with Gantt charts. See the big picture and identify potential bottlenecks. CRM, customer relationship management, contact management. Store and manage customer information, including contact details, company information, and past interactions. Sales pipeline. Visualize your sales pipeline and track deals from lead generation to closed one. Customer support. Manage customer support tickets and track their resolution. Team collaboration. Real-time collaboration. Work together on documents and projects in real time. File sharing. Easily share files and documents with your team. Messaging. Communicate with your team through direct messages or group chats. Custom workspaces. Create custom workspaces. Design workspaces tailored to your specific needs, whether it's a project, a team, or a department. Add apps. Extend the functionality of Podio with a variety of apps, from calendars and time trackers to CRM and marketing tools. Why choose Podio? Flexibility. Adapt Podio to your unique workflow. Scalability. Grow with your business. Collaboration. Foster teamwork and communication. Integration. Connect with other tools you use. Security. Protect your data with robust security measures. How to get started with Podio. Sign up. Create a free account to start exploring Podio's features. Create a workspace. Set up a workspace for your project or team. Add apps. Choose the apps you need to manage your work. Invite your team. Invite your team members to collaborate. Start working. Begin organizing tasks, sharing files, and communicating with your team. Tips for effective Podio usage. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your workspaces. Use tags. Organize your tasks and items with tags. Set clear deadlines. Assign deadlines to tasks and track progress. Communicate regularly. Use comments and discussions to stay connected. Leverage integrations. Connect Podio with other tools you use. Podio is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow, improve team collaboration, and achieve your business goals. By understanding its core features and best practices, you can unlock its full potential and transform the way you work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.